We're transforming this regular brick wall into a stunning key feature with our vertical planting kit at Leica Coffee in Perth. Choose plants based on your location and where you're planning to install your green wall. Certain plants require particular amounts of light. At Leica, we picked a shady spot with partial sun in the afternoon. Be sure to measure your space beforehand. This will determine how many panels you will be able to install. Here, we were able to fix 3x6 panels, making this design a massive 144 pot green wall. You'll need a spirit level and a marker. We're using those little indicators through the panel to mark the hole where we need to drill. Once you've decided where you want your panels to go, ensure they're level. There are 2 little circles with flowers around them. Place a pencil in this hole and mark the wall. As this green wall will be mounted into solid brick, we used a 6.5mm masonry bit to drill the 2 holes. Insert plastic wall plugs and fix the stainless steel bracket into the wall using the screws provided. Hang your panel onto the bracket. If you have multiple panels like this installed, hold the second panel in line and adjacent to the first. It's important that the edges of the 2 panels line up and are level. Mark the drill holes with a pencil and repeat the previous steps. Attach the 12mm two-way coupling to the top of the first panel. Place the second panel onto the bracket and click onto the coupling. We recommend using coir peat with a slow-release fertilizer and good quality potting mix. This will ensure your plants are receiving essential nutrients and have better water retention so that your plants don't dry out too fast. Place the mesh base into the pot so the soil doesn't prevent drainage. Plant the pots before installing them onto the panels. Slot your plants onto the panel anywhere you want. Make sure the drippers are placed in each of the pots. Big thanks to Leica and the Perth Wildcats for helping us out with this install. Holman, for the Smart Gardener.